Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So today here we are back with a new video on Navisworks series. So in the previous video we understood what are the different versions of Navisworks. So here today we will understand what are the different file types of Navisworks, and again it will be a practical oriented video. I will not go into theory, so I will give you a practical demonstration to make it more clear what exactly is NWC, NWF, and NWD. So again, here I have come up with a video. I mean, with a table to make things pretty clear for you. So first we'll go through this table, and then I will show you in the model what exactly is Navisworks cache file, Navisworks file set, and Navisworks document. So this file is basically generated at the time of model export. For example, we have Revit, we have AutoCAD. So when we export a file into, when we export our model, it will be exported in NWC. It will not be getting exported in NWF or NWD. So we can say that NWC is a temporary export file, okay, which can be extracted from models such as Revit, AutoCAD, and other discipline. Second, so this is usually generated for faster subsequent loading of the same model. Just imagine there are so many elements in Revit. It literally takes so much time for the model to open. So what happens is if we have Navisworks NWC file, it won't be taking that much time. It will be opening very quickly. So it contains the geometry of all the data as well as the performance for editing is very fast. Okay. Second is NWF. So this is the combination of NWC files. For example, there are 10 different NWCs of the same project. What will happen is combining those NWCs, we will create one NWF. Hence, it is called as a file set. If any of the NWC file is missing, NWF, you will not be able to open. So again, it is a file which is related to the external models, and here this is just a file, but the links are NWC. Clear? So this is also very small as compared to NWC because this isn't the original model. This is just a link. This is just a link. You can compare this with a zip file. What happens in zip? There are multiple files which we create and then we zip it together. So in a similar manner, Navisworks file set is of that category. And then NWD is the coordinated model. Okay, so here this is the final version of, this is the final file extension which we will be sending it to the client. And here there will be different disciplines NWC. As I have given the example of 10 different models. So of those 10 different models, there will be NWC, which will be seen in this particular file format. So if you want architectural discipline, you can turn that off. If you want structural discipline, you can turn that off. So this gives us the freedom to do that. So I'll just summarize. So NWC, it's the cache file, which we can export from different Revit, from different models such as Revit as well as CAD and then other disciplines. And then NWF, it's the file set. It is a combination of different NWCs, and NWD is a final format, a coordinated model that can be used for sending it to the client. It consists of all the geometries, saved views, comments, and everything. Okay, so let's dive into Revit to understand in a better way. So here, this is the arc model, and as of now, if I take you in the, okay, let me just go here. If I take you here, so these are the different Navis which I have exported MEP structure, and here, as you can see here, only Revit versions are there. Okay, no NWCs, nothing. So now what I will do is I will directly append this Revit arc in our Navisworks, and let us see what will happen. So I will open Navisworks Manage 24, and once I open, I will directly link this Revit in Navisworks. And once I do that, what will happen is whatever changes I will be doing in Revit, it will reflect in Navisworks. So let me just demonstrate that. So here here we have Navisworks managed. So what I will be doing is I will close unnecessary windows. So here this is the so from here I will go and append our arc model, and just to see when I append the arc model what exactly will happen here. Okay, so here pivot, and then this is arc file. All right, so this is the arc file which I am appending. Based on the model, it will take longer time, as this is a sample model which I have created just for a demonstration purpose, hence it won't be taking this much time. So and the other reason, there are two ways to create NWC. First one is from directly Revit itself. If you come here in file set, and you will see the export option. Okay, so here this is the export and this is the Navisworks. So this is a way to export NWC directly, and the other way is you can append this Revit file directly in NWC. So this you will be doing mostly when you want changes to be reflected in NWC at that point itself, when you are doing clash detection, and you want to generate a report and you want to be very sure that those clashes are resolved. Hence, in that case, we will be appending Revit directly in our Navisworks managed. Alright, so here you can see that there are only walls as well as doors which I have placed here. And now what I will do is I will delete these two walls. So I will go in Revit. Before going into Revit, I want to show you. I have showed you at the start that there wasn't any file, there wasn't any Navisworks file in this folder. But now, as I have opened Revit in Navisworks Manage, what has happened is Navisworks has created a cache file which is NWC. Alright, so now this is Revit. I am deleting these two walls. Here there are only columns which are highlighted in red. Okay, so what is happening now, I will come here and then I will simply click on this refresh button. So once I do that, Revit will refresh this particular model and there won't be this wall over here. Okay, but before doing that, I have to save this model. So to save that, I will press Ctrl S and let me press it again. Okay, so the model is saved now, and I will refresh it. So as I am refreshing, the model is loading and the changes will be reflected here. Okay, it will take time based on the graphic generation. Okay, so once it does, you will see that these two walls will not be there. Okay, so after this, what we will be doing is I have already exported NWCs of different disciplines such as structure as well as MEP. So as I have made very clear what exactly is NWC, so now we will proceed further to understand what is NWF. Okay, so now first let us wait for Navisworks to respond to reflect this new changes here. Again, based on the system configuration also, it takes time. I mean, it depends how much time will it take. So now you can see here that there aren't any walls in our Navisworks NWC file. Okay, so now what I will be doing is I will save this file as NWC, and in order to save the file, you can simply click on the logo which is there at the very left corner at top, and once it comes, you will save as, and here you will select the file format for it, which is NWC. And as it is already, I mean, as I have clearly explained that NWC, I mean, when you open Navisworks, you will not be able to save it as NWC, because NWC is the cache file which is generated only at the time of export. Clear? So now what is happening is this itself is the NWC file which is created here. If I go here, I mean, if I take you in the folder, we have this NWC file here. So what I will be doing is I will simply press Ctrl S, and it will again ask me where exactly I want to save this one. Okay, as of now, what I will be doing is I will close this. I will close this Navis as well, and still you will be able to see this NWC file which our Navisworks has created. I will copy this file and let me paste it into this folder here with other disciplines. Okay, once I do that, again I will open Navisworks Manage, and this time we will understand how exactly we can create NWF, which stands for Navisworks File Set. So the reason I have closed this is because I wanted to demonstrate the next procedure of this video, which is NWF file creation. You have clearly seen how can we generate NWCs in two different manner. First one is through Revit, second one is through directly appending that Revit file in Navisworks Manage. So now what I will be doing is I will be appending our NWCs here. This is NWC, as well as I have selected all these three files, and I have here all the different discipline. If I go in selection tree here, what exactly is selection tree, what is the interface of this Navisworks, all those things we will understand. Okay, so you can see here that different NWCs are here, and what we will be doing is we will save this as NWF now. Okay, let us go here, and when you click on all file set, so you can see that Navisworks file set. Okay, so now let us name this as CO coordinated model. Okay, I have clicked on save. Now let us see what will happen. Okay, so I will go back in Navis again, and see this is a file which has been created here, and the file type is Navisworks file set. Okay, so now it doesn't matter. Again I will close it, and I will simply go to Navisworks Manage, or else I can simply double click on this Navisworks file. Alright, so if I directly click, as this has been a default program, so Navisworks Simulate is opening the file. Okay, in that manner what we'll do is we'll open Navisworks Manage, and we'll try to open it over there. Alright, so now the reason why I am doing this is because now all the files are in proper location, all the NWCs are in proper location. If I try to open that file, it will open, it won't give you any error, nothing. Okay, but now what we will do, we will close it again, and I will move one of the file to a different location. This NWC, I will move it here in Revit folder. So now, as I have explained before, Navisworks file set is a combination of links. It makes sure that the location of the file it's saved in its data, and based on that location it opens the model. So again I will go in Navisworks Manage to open my NWF file which is created. And if you are sending NWF to a client, then you have to be very sure that all the files are there in the respected location. Okay, so if I go to open, if I try to open, Navisworks will give me error that there are some external references which are not there at the right place. Again, what I will do is I will go and let us wait for this load to take place, as there were two different disciplines. So those two different disciplines will be reflecting and the other discipline won't be there. So let us be very sure that those changes. Okay, so here load was cancelled, so we will cancel it. We will cancel this as well, and we will close this again. I will go here and I will place our NWC again here. Right. Now we will go to manage and I will open our NWF file again. So let me just rephrase what exactly we have done. We have created NWC before from 3 different disciplines, and after creating NWC, we created Navisworks file set. Now see, there is no error. Why there is no error? Because all the NWCs are there in their respective location. Now I want to send this Navisworks file set to a client, but I am afraid that what if the NWCs are if by mistake any of the colleague places NWC in a different location, or the directory of the NWC is changed, what will happen in that case? So I don't want to take that risk. Just to be very clear, what I will be doing is I will save this model as NWC, and here this is the coordinated model now. Okay, no matter if I delete if I delete all the NWCs, then also it doesn't matter. Still, I'll be able to open this NWD. I will close this again. And now, where is this Navisworks document file? It's over here. I am deleting everything, all the files. All the files I am deleting, I will keep only Navisworks document. Okay. Now, let us go back to Navisworks Manage. And once it opens, we will see whether Navisworks document does it open or not. Okay, see here. See. So what has happened? Navisworks document doesn't require NWC, doesn't require NWF. It is a coordinated model, and all the coordinated models you will be able to see here in the form of NWC. So now it isn't an external link. These are the links which are there in the model itself. If I want to hide ARC, I can simply go here and I can hide it. What happens in case of Navisworks file set? There are external links. If those external links are disturbed, you will not be able to open NWF. What is NWC? It is the cache file which is extracted from different BIM softwares. Clear? So I believe I have made very easy for you guys to understand the difference between NWC, NWF and NWD. So these are all interview based questions. You can go through this video as well as the previous video. As all the videos will be interconnected with each other, I request every one of you to please go in the order. To learners, thank you so much. Let us rise and shine together. Very soon I'll be coming up with the 3rd video on the Navisworks series. Thank you so much.